What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Monday, day 6 of my FTMO challenge, and I hope you guys had a good weekend. Yeah, so here are my stats so far for today. I had a few trades that I closed and a few that I opened up. Let me show you guys. So yeah, I really haven't really been making much profit. I feel like I've just been breaking even most of the time. So I guess let's start off here. So the first trade I closed, which was like last week, had negative 553, and then another one, negative 909. Then it's kind of like I made that back here, 995 profit, and then 593 profit, and then after that it kind of went a little bit downhill. We got a negative 2,302. And then negative 285. These two, basically my exit indicator told me to get out of these trades, so I got out of them. And I'm currently floating about close to like to almost 3,000 floating right now. So that kind of like brings me back to like break even like at 99, almost not 100,000. So my win rate 33.33% so far. And yeah, so let me open up my Metatrader, show you guys what it's looking like in what I got currently running, the trades that I have open. I opened about two trades today. Okay, so here we got floating about 2,500. I got GBP USD. Opened that up today. What else? USD franc. Opened that one up today as well. And New Zealand dollar USD. So those I opened up. Then we got the franc JPY, USD CAD from last week, and the CAD JPY. So I'm still have these trades open from last week running. My exit indicator hasn't told me to get out of any of these trades, so I'm keeping them open. As you can see, the equity it's showing 100,000. Yeah, so I'm kind of like still at the 100,000 mark. Haven't really made much profit, and it's already what 6 days. I was hoping to kind of like complete this within 10 days, but I mean I still got time. But yeah, so this is how it's looking so far today with my stats on the FTMO challenge. I think what I'm gonna do going forward is just open one trade a day and kind of like let these trades play out, see how it goes, and yeah. So that's my results for today, day 6 of my FTMO challenge. I appreciate you guys for just tagging along for this journey. I'm glad that I made it to day 6 because previously, before when I took the challenge, I didn't even make it to day 3. So definitely want to wrap up this challenge sometime next week and get this funded 100K account live. And yep, so I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 7. Peace.